Hello everyone, just a little bit video. I was in Barnard Castle Tuesday with my granddaughter and the 3 kids, and we met up with my son, his partner and her daughter. They were staying in Barnard Castle in a lodge somewhere, but we were going to High Force Falls to see the, the waterfalls and everything. So I've just a little bit video to show you what we were doing. I'm not sure whereabouts. Oh no, Lane.
Weardale.
Weardale.
If that's how you pronounce it.
Probably like.
Or Weardale, Weardale, something. That's what it said as soon as we come up on the massive hill.
Smile, kids. Can't even see whether I've got yours in, like, but
it's very warm as well.
It doesn't look as bright.
10 minutes till the waterfall.
Wait, has he car?
10 minutes. I messaged your dad again.
Yes. Oh, now we've got to climb up that hill. Oh look, there's another drop bit over there as well.
Yeah.
Can't even drop a minute.
Oh, I've started getting signal. I'm getting notifications again.
Huh?
We have life.
We have iPods. We got phones. We got internet.
Is this the High Force Falls?
No, this is low for.
Low Force Falls. We get the right ones.
Well, my great aunt used to live at Barnard with me. But I've been like.
Well, that's finally, that's High Force, this one, isn't it?
Ruby! I thought just going to walk the edge.
Oh. Yeah, there's a big gap down there, like the dog can get through.
Steph, I'd watch her, because she's just...
She just went through that.
Right.
I was like... She's trying to escape.
It's a long way down there.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
If we fall down there, you could take it at the back.
Are you happy now, Eddie? No.
It's a 21 metre drop.
But you actually get to the other side. You can get to the other side with the up to there. I'm going to go to the other side.
Well, we're going to walk.
Well, what do you think of the waterfall then, Frankie? You know, Tommy, do you like it?
Yeah.
Well, that was my day in Barnard Castle and going to the High Force waterfall trail, which was a very long trail. I don't know how I managed it, but I did. And then we went back to the lodge that my son was staying at. He's there for a week, just having a week's break, and that was where we went down to see them. And as you can see, the kids enjoy the water, but they weren't very impressed with the waterfalls. Well, Tommy was, but Eddie and Frankie, the youngest and the oldest one, weren't. But it was a nice day, a lovely day, and it was lovely seeing my son and Cheryl seeing her dad and his partner Steph and her daughter Neve. It looks like I have another granddaughter to add to my list. So that was a day, and then we didn't get home till about 10 o'clock, so there was definitely nothing done on knitting, YouTube or anything like that. And then yesterday, I was invited to a barbecue. Cheryl's mum, because Cheryl and her brother's birthdays are very close to each other, and being in the middle of the summer weather, my mum always has a barbecue or something like that for them for their birthday. And so that's where I was, at Cheryl's mum's, my ex-daughter-in-law, yesterday. So I didn't get much done until later on at night time when I came home. So I just thought I'd show you a little bit of the falls, and then that'll be it for now. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll show you more anytime. So bye for now.